Good morning. Uh, Today we are going to discuss some example. So first question, find the coordinate of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are given. That means here find out the formula of centroid. Okay, so here three vertices is present and our question is find out the formula of centroid. That means centroid G is equal to, we know that x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3. So how can we derive this formula? So first of all, here we can consider one triangle ABC. So let in triangle ABC, here consider a coordinate x1, y1, z1, b coordinate x2, y2, z2, and c coordinate x3, y3, z3. Now draw one triangle. Now here we can say that a coordinate x1, y1, z1. Here coordinate of b x2, y2, z2, and coordinate of c x3, y3, z2. Now suppose here consider D is the midpoint of line segment BC. So therefore D is a midpoint of line segment BC. So how can we find out the midpoint of line segment BC? Means how can we find out the coordinate of D? So we know that midpoint, that means two coordinate is given, 2 point is given, and find out midpoint. So add both these number, divide by 2. So here find out the coordinate of D. So add both these number and divide by 2. So therefore coordinate of D is equal to x2 plus x3 divided by 2 y2 plus y3 divided by 2 z2 plus z3 divided by 2. Okay, now here draw midpoint, means join this line. So here D coordinate x2 plus x3 divided by 2. So here written x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2, z2 plus z3 divided by 2. Okay, now after here we can consider G the centroid of triangle ABC. So join both this line. Okay, means join median. So here we can say that E, here say F, and our centroid G. Okay, now after G divides line segment AD, so here we get the ratio 2:1. So here we can mention let G is a centroid of triangle ABC. Therefore it divides AD from ratio 2:1. So therefore coordinate of G is equal to 2 into bracket x2, plus x3. Here using by ratio formula. So this portion is 2 and this portion is 1. Right? ED divided in 3 equally parts. So EG is equal to, here we can consider 2 and GD here consider in form of 1. So our ratio is 2:1. Now our formula mx2, x1, the A coordinate is consider x1, y1, z1, and suppose D coordinate consider x2, y2, z2. So our ratio formula is mx2. M that means 2 and x2 that means x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus x1 upon 2 plus 1. Similarly, here we can written coordinate of y and coordinate of z same way. So 2 into bracket y2 plus y3 divided by 2 plus y1 upon 1 plus 2 plus 1 or 1 plus 2. We can written both this one. Comma. In case of z, 2 into bracket z2 plus z3 plus z1 upon 2 here upon 2 plus 1 bracket. Okay, so here using by ratio formula, now our question is find out the formula, derive the formula of centroid G. So here 2 cancel out, same way here 2 cancel out, here also 2 cancel out. So remaining term x2 plus x3 plus x1, that means we can also return x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 means 3. So x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, comma. Similarly, here written y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, comma, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Clear? Next question. Find the length of the medians of the triangle with the vertices A, B and C. So here vertices A, B, C is given. Our question is find out the length of median. So first, here written, here A coordinate 0, 0, 6, B coordinate 0, 4, 0 and C coordinate 6, 0, 0 are the vertices of triangle ABC. Now, first of all, draw triangle ABC. Here we can say that A, vertex is A, vertex is B, vertex is C. A coordinate written 0, 0, 6. B coordinate written 0, 4, 0 and C coordinate written here 6, 0, 0. Now our question is find out the length of the median. So here we can say that D is the midpoint of BC. Here E is the midpoint of AB and here we can say that F is the midpoint of EC. Now join this line. So our ED is our median. So our question is find out the length of median. So how can we find out the length of median? Here ED is the length of median. Now same way join C point with E. So our second median is EC, and similarly joint F and B. So our third median is BF. Okay, but how can we find out? So our first step here, D is the midpoint of line segment BC. So here written, now D is a midpoint of line segment BC. So therefore we know that how can we find out midpoint? Midpoint, that means add both this number divided by 2. So using by this result, find out the coordinate of D. So therefore D is equal to 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 4 plus 0 divided by 2, comma 0 plus 0 divided by 2. So is equal to 0 plus 6 divided by 2, that means 3, comma 2, comma 0. Now here written 3, comma 2, comma 0. Now after find out the length of median, that means find out the distance of AD. So here using by distance formula, find out the value of AD. So here we get the length of median. So therefore now AD is equal to under root 0 minus 3 whole square plus 0 minus 2 whole square plus 6 minus 0 whole square. Now simplify this term. So 0 minus 3, that means minus 3 whole square. So 9. 0 minus 2, that means minus 2 whole square. Plus 4 and 6 square means 36. Now add this number. So 36 plus 4, that means 40. 40 plus 9 means under root 49 is equal to 7. So here we get the length of the distance of AD is equal to 7 units. Next one, after find out BF, similar method here we can apply and find out BF. So now here written, F is a midpoint of AC. So therefore coordinate of F is equal to, here we can written coordinate of F is equal to, same method apply, add both this number divided by 2. So 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2, 6 plus 0 divided by 2. So now 6 by 2 means 3, 0, comma 3. So here we get the coordinate of F 3, 0, 3. Now after find out the length of the median of BF, so again using by distance formula and find out BF. So BF is equal to under root 0 minus 3 whole square, 4 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 3 whole square is equal to under root minus 3 square, that means 9, plus 16 plus 9. Now add this number. So 16 plus 18 that means under root 34 units we can also written here. And similar method, find out the CE. So again here written E is the midpoint of AB. So the coordinate of E is equal to, right, here E is the midpoint of AB. So coordinate of E 0 plus 0 divided by 2. 0 plus 4 divided by 2. 6 plus 0 divided by 2. Now add both these number, divide by 2. So is equal to 0, 2, 3. Now after using by distance formula, here we can find out EC. So EC is equal to under root. Okay, here written the coordinate of E 0, 2, 3. Now 0 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to under root minus 6 whole square, that means 36, plus 4 plus 9. Now add this number, 36 plus 4, that means 40, and plus 9, that means under root 49 is equal to 7. So here we can return 7 units. Okay. So using by midpoint region, find out the mid value of D, E and F, and after using by distance formula, find out the length of median of this triangle. Okay.